Hey everyone, welcome back. Did you know that the demand for cybersecurity professionals is soaring? In Europe, there's been a 35% increase in job postings over the last 2 years. Asia saw a 40% surge, and the Middle East is ramping up by around 30% as organizations everywhere race to defend their data. So if you're asking, how can I start a cybersecurity career with no experience? You're in the right place. Cybersecurity isn't just one thing. It's 3 main teams: blue team, red team, and purple team. Blue teams are the defenders. Think firewalls, monitoring, incident response. Red teams act like ethical hackers, probing systems to find weaknesses. Purple teams blend those roles, using attacker insights to strengthen defenses. You'll need to pick one area to focus on, but first, you must learn the fundamentals. Starting with fundamentals, the first building blocks are networking basics. You need to understand how data moves, the OSI model, TCP, IP, DNS, routing, firewalls. Without that, cybersecurity is like fighting blind. A great certification is CompTIA Network Plus. You don't need to pay for it. You'll find tons of free Network Plus videos online. In fact, we've got a full playlist that breaks these concepts down from scratch in an easy-to-follow way. Once you've got networking down, it's time to take the next step. Next up, cybersecurity-specific fundamentals. CompTIA Security Plus is the gold standard here. Again, you don't have to buy the certification. You can find full Security Plus courses and videos online for free. We're also preparing a comprehensive playlist that explains Security Plus topics in depth, so you'll have a complete understanding of threats, defenses, encryption, and more. With both network and security basics under your belt, you're ready for the entry point. Now here's the exciting part. There's a free certification called Certified in Cybersecurity, CC, offered by ISC2. It's designed for beginners and covers all the essentials you've learned. Register, take the exam, and if you pass, proudly add it to your CV. That credential shows employers you're serious and knowledgeable, even without experience. Once you've earned it, start exploring the blue, red, and purple teams through videos and practical content. See which one sparks your passion, then start applying for entry-level roles in that track. While doing all this, build a strong, clear CV. Highlight your networking and security knowledge, your CC certification, any labs or home projects you've done. Also, create or polish your LinkedIn profile. Get active. Post content about what you're learning. Share thoughtful takeaways, and connect with other cybersecurity professionals. Recruiters often notice people who engage and share valuable insights. Finally, we created this channel to be your go-to resource, whether you're just starting or already in the field. We're constantly adding new playlists, from Network Plus and Security Plus to team deep dives and real-world examples. So, if you want to stay up to date, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. You won't miss a thing. Give us a like and hit subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Catch you next time.